In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use XTrend Speed for beginners. So first thing you need to do is you need to make sure to download and install the application. You can get the XTrend Speed from the App Store or Google Play Store on your Android. From in there, click onto the install option in order to install the app and you can head over and then do it. Now onto the app itself, you can click onto this open an account. You can enable or open the app itself, or you can also do this on your browser. On my case, I'll do this on my browser. Let me head over and input right here an email that I wish to use. Once you have it, click on register. Then this will open this. Just make sure to answer this CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a bot. And when the verification is complete, you can see right here your actual XTrend and it should be able to open and you can now use it to and add information right there. Use it for trading, deposit funds by depositing to your wallet. And from in there, just head over and fill up the information needed to continue using this actual account. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.